Hi guys, it's me, Everything with Banana, and today we're going to be making this really fun recipe. I heard it from my friend, and I'm going to be trying it out. So it's deep fried Oreos. So I got my Oreos right here. I'm super excited. I got the big pack, the party size pack, because, well, I love Oreos. So I just gotta get the big one just in case they fail, so I can just open them and then keep it out and eat it. That's all we've been doing. Let's get into it. Okay, so right now I have my recipe right here, because I've honestly never made this before, so I just wanted to try it out with you guys. So prep time is 10 minutes. Total time is 20 minutes, so about like 10 minutes to cook maybe. Ingredients: we need vegetable oil for frying, 1 1/2 cup pancake mix. I don't know if we have pancake mix. 1 large egg, 1 cup milk, 14.3 ounces of packaged Oreos. Technically, you can just get packaged Oreos. I think I have a little too many packaged Oreos, but it will be fine. Powdered sugar for serving. Okay, so I'm actually super excited to get this, make this. So I need to go see if I have pancake mix. I'll be right back. Okay, so I just realized we do have it. I have this type. It doesn't really matter what pancake mix you have. This is pancake and waffle mix. It's just some type. It's already open, so that's what we're gonna use for that. So I'm gonna put this aside. I also got to put my Oreos aside because we already have them. It also says we need a large egg. I got eggs. They're usually back here in the fridge. Here's one lonely egg. I don't know why it's on top, but we'll use this one. So here's my egg. For my friend, it's a chicken egg. So putting it over here. Don't want to break it. 1 cup milk. Here's the milk. I have lactose-free milk because, I don't know, I just use lactose-free milk. So we'll put that aside. Wiggle, wiggle. Next, packaged Oreos. We have that. So powdered sugar is optional. It's for the end anyway, so I'm not going to do it right now. Okay. In a large bowl, combine pancake mix, egg, and milk. Pancake mix, egg, and milk. Okay. Pancake mix, egg, and milk. I gotta go get a bowl. I'm back with the bowl. I've moved my thing over here. So we have to combine the pancake mix, the egg, and the milk. Pancake mix. Okay. Oh. Do I have enough pancake mix? Just gotta get my 1 cup thingy-mabobber, whatever you want to call it. Don't really care. But whatever you want to. Your thingy-mabobber. There's an ad playing. It's really distracting me. Okay. This isn't even, oh my goodness, this isn't even a cup. Why? So I have a 1.5 cups of it in here. So I don't want to like tilt it so it's a bell. Okay, next. Oh right, I gotta do I'm doing the egg next. Because I love eggs so much. Oh gosh, it's so hard to crack eggs. I'm gonna put this under so that's a grip. Oh my goodness. Ugh, that was like that was actually kind of funny. Key. Compost discos. Oh my goodness. Okay. I want to kind of stir it. So this. I'm gonna stir it up because I got the egg in here. Okay. And now I need the milk. Probably add the milk before I start stirring it. It says 1 cup of milk, right? Yeah, 1 cup milk. Gotta get my cup out because there are different measurement for liquids than for flour solids. So, got this thing. So, please be a cup in this milk. Yes. 1 cup. I'm gonna dump it in. Goodness, so funny. Working with 1 cookie at a time. Dip Oreo into batter, turning the coat well. Place Oreo and oil in the fat 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Turn Oreo as necessary. Use a spoon. Goodness, this is like so liquidy, guys. I expect it to be very liquidy. I don't want to taste it. I'm gonna taste it. See how disgusting this is. It's like pancake batter. Okay, let's go on to the next step. Now I need supervision. Do not bake without supervision. This honestly doesn't take that long to make. The batter is already practically already done. Okay. So I got a completely individual Oreo. How many should I make? It all depends. I'm ready to cook them.
Ready to make sure you don't set anything on fire.
Okay. So I gotta go to today. I forgot to show you what oil I'm using. For my oil, I'm just using coconut oil. Because, well, it's great for frying. Lily says it here. It says, great for frying. So it better be great for frying Oreos too. Okay, now I gotta go finish setting them. So we're at the oven. Here's my oil. It's heating up. I don't want it to touch it. It's gonna be disgusting. I gotta bring my little thing over that has my recipe on it. I gotta bring my dough or my batter over. So I have that. And of course, if I bring my Oreos, I can't not make it if I want it. I'm so excited to try this. Okay. Better to be warming up. Now wait. Don't forget to clean up when you're done. Or when you're waiting, because you really gotta clean up. Okay. So, this looks pretty good. I think I'm gonna try now. So, I open my Oreos. I'm gonna take one out. First, the special Oreo that gets to go in first. I'm gonna dunk it in. I gotta use my fork. Not put my hand on the table. Okay. Oh my goodness. Looks actually pretty good so far. Doesn't look too bad. That's impressive for my luck in cooking. This might actually work. This will be actually very surprising. Does I really want it to work? Okay, I'm gonna pick you up. I'm gonna dump you back in here. I know it looks kind of weird, but it's for the best of it, okay? So it has more layers. need to get something to put on. Like, put it on a little bit cute plate. Not that cute though. Just the plate. It'll be fine. Can you hear the sizzle? Like, it looks so good. Mainly. Kind of. Pretty good. It's like baked onto the fork. They're gonna be like soft. I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna pull it out. Actually, now I'm going to put a napkin over it so it soaks up all the oil. Smart. Okay, let's take him out. It's a plate right here, so I'm not putting it on the counter. Oh my goodness. Okay, I put it on. Hopefully it's safe. Okay, let's continue with the more Oreos. Do it. There's gonna be hot drips. These. I'll just eat them. I'll put powdered sugar on that. Yeah, you should definitely put powdered sugar on it first. Might taste better. It's really hot. Tell me if it's soft.
Perfect.
Okay, I have my little judge here, and she tasted one of them, and she said they're good. And she didn't even eat it with powdered sugar. I think this is a good recipe, guys. Just take them out. Okay, next batch. Okay, I already had them soaked in here. Look at this, yummy yum. I really want to taste them now. I'm gonna taste it. And there's no hot. There's no powdered sugar on it, which is, they're so soft. Mmm, that's so good. There's not even powdered sugar on it. But it's like, makes Oreo so soft. Like, look at that. It's so soft. You guys really have to try this recipe. I will give it a 10 out of 10. Probably 11 out of 11 with the powdered sugar on it. You can make so many deep fried Oreos with this. I'm bringing this to school tomorrow. It's so good. What? Hongo. Very good. I think my little friend wants to say hi. Or she just wants my Oreos. But say hi, Jade. Hello. I think she just wants my Oreos. So I'll show you the final result when I'm hot. Don't wash yourself with oil. It really hurts. When I'm done. So my final thing of cookies, I'm in a different shirt because I think I got my shirt dirty and I did my hair. But are these? We ate some, so there's not as many as I cooked, but they're really soft, really nice. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Bye.